In just 1 week, US attorneys from 4 border states charged more than 1,220 individuals with immigration-related crimes, the latest move in a sweeping federal crackdown. Texas led the charge with nearly 600 arrests, followed by Arizona, California, and New Mexico. Prosecutors say the cases involve illegal entry, re-entry after deportation, human smuggling, and trafficking. In southern Texas, 216 cases were filed in just 7 days. Many of those charged have serious prior convictions, including firearms offenses, drug trafficking, and sexual assault. Arizona followed closely with 329 charged. Among them were members of notorious gangs like MS-13 and the Latin Kings. Federal prosecutors also uncovered a human smuggling ring operating through encrypted apps and burner phones. California filed 169 cases targeting not just illegal re-entry but also large-scale drug trafficking and financial laundering networks stretching across the US. New Mexico charged 133 people, most for illegal re-entry and smuggling. Officials say their target include individuals with a history of violence, sexual offenses, and weapons possession. Authorities stress the focus remains on criminals who pose a threat to public safety, not ordinary migrants. The Justice Department say it is committed to dismantling criminal networks exploiting the border.